Hey guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. So Samsung has started rolling out a new update for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra last week, and it'll be carried over into next week. I just got the update today. Let me go ahead and show you guys how to install it if it hasn't already prompted you to install it already. You'll go ahead and swipe down on the quick settings panel, click the settings wheel, scroll all the way down to the bottom on the left till you get to software update, download and install. And you'll see mine's already up to date. If there's an update available to you, it'll show you right now, and you go ahead and install it and your system will restart. Once it's installed, you can go ahead and click on the last update button here, and this will give you just kind of a general idea of what's included in the update. And you can also find more information about it by clicking on this link here. A few things that are included in this update are some device stability improvements and bug fixes. There's also been some improvements to the functionality that puts the apps into deep sleep, giving us a little bit better battery life, so we will definitely take that win there. And there's one more important update that's included with the Tab S8 update, and that is it includes an update to the book cover keyboard, of which we're going to install right now. And before we get started, I do want to give credit to where credit's due. I got this tip from a great channel. It's called All-Star Space. I'm sure a lot of you guys are subscribed to him. Please do check out his channel when you have a chance. I'll go ahead and link it in the description. And he put out a quick video on this late last week, but quickly put out additional videos after that, so it kind of got lost in the shuffle. So I just want to make sure that everyone has this information and keep sharing the latest news with you guys. In order to update the book cover keyboard, what you have to do is first connect to the book cover keyboard. Let it sit on here just a few seconds. You're going to pull it off, okay, for at least 5 seconds. And then we're going to reattach it. Wait just a moment. You'll see now we're getting prompted for an update. Update firmware, a new firmware version is available for the book cover keyboard. We're going to go ahead and press update. It's now updating the firmware. What this update addresses, there's been an ongoing issue since the book cover keyboard was first released, in which you'll be typing in a text box, and if you go to switch back to your trackpad, it'll be very sluggish or unresponsive at first. And sometimes you might even have to like double tap or triple tap to even get it to recognize your inputs. All right, so the update is now complete. So let's go ahead and test this out. It's pretty easy to do. If we go anywhere where text input is allowed, let's say this Google toolbar, let's go ahead and start typing. Okay, it doesn't matter where you're at. Anywhere where text input is allowed, you'll start typing, the boy, and now switch over to using the trackpad. Let's see. Thank you, Samsung. Issue resolved. So what would happen before is your trackpad pointer cursor would be stuck there, basically where you finished writing the text, and you have to move it a couple times to get it to respond. I recall complaining about that a little bit during the unboxing video of this, in which I felt the trackpad was a little sluggish. Let's try this again real quick. We'll go back to some text. And now let's touch a trackpad. No clicking, no funny business. Just move it. Boom. Perfect. All right, so here's an update for your book cover keyboard, and it's only available after you do the latest update to your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. All right, guys, and as we get more updates and more information, I'll make sure to pass them along to you guys. As always, thanks for watching.